Alright guys, what's going on? Friday, December 22nd, 2017. Had a crazy morning, ready to trade. I find NXTD along with a whole bunch of other people. It's already traded over 20 million shares. But so basically, this was testing the VWAP, and I decided that it would be a good spot to short it. So I get decided to do like 250 shares, see what it's going to do. It breaks. I look at the, I guess it's the 490 level, and I want to add. I had about 500 shares, I think. Give me a total position of 750 shares. So I did speed up the video, obviously, because this is a couple hours worth of trading. Overall, I've condensed it as best I can. Before, when I was making the videos, it just took me too long. But I'm gonna try to do the more and more videos. Even if I lose my account, I'm gonna still paper trade and still put those videos up, because it's a learning process, and people can help us. Other people can help with input. So get a good breakout right here, breakdown rather. I cover my first 250 shares at 11.20, so it's 470. 470, and the time frame is already covered a couple hundred. Covered 250 shares, and then I do a couple more minutes here. Another 250, just got that. So now I'm up on the day. There you go. As we speak, I realized of 130 something shares. A couple things happened while I was doing this, recording this. I actually turned my monitor off on accident. I knocked the cable off, and that was a scary moment for a bit, but it all worked out good. I just had to turn it back on. So I do a lot of messing around when I'm trading with the levels. I'm not a person comfortable with. I like to see and zoom in and out and draw trend lines, and sometimes that's good and sometimes that's bad. I much prefer. I lost my connection to my server at that time, so I had to restart. And I'm looking around like, did my order go? What happened? Oh, wait a second. Yeah, it did go. Okay, so covered at 84. I should have covered sooner, but it is what it is. So I went up with 160 bucks on that trade, and I'm thinking I could go again as it ran into the VWAP, and if it fails. So I think I'll buy another 500 shares real quick. So I've got 250. I add another 250, and then I cover in the 454 range and then the 478 range. I'm probably going to start taking more shares on the first initial move. I have it set up I can take 80%, but I was trading bigger movers when I set that up. So on the smaller movers, I tend to take less share size. But when I say less share size, I cover less share size. So I let this run back. What is this? Yep, let it run back on me a little bit, and I think I cover. The other 300. It's 478. Here, I get out. Yep, I'm out. So total profit 205.50, and this is now at 245. So I find this XPO. I should have just been done for the day. The great thing about XPO is I did make some money. The problem is I continued to trade this freight train and lose my shirt on it. Not really. I lost my gains on it, and I lost some of my gains on the day. I still wound up green, but what a pain in the butt. If I would have just called it a day, I would have done really well for myself today. at this point, I'm up over $300. And I still just decide to keep letting it go. And I should have just covered the pattern started reversing right there. I should have covered everything, been done, and called it a day. Yeah, I was up over $300 at one point. Like, I kick myself in the butt every single time. And you can see the stochastics, I'm pointing it out. They've hit a resistance level. The pattern's changing on the candlesticks. You've got the 20 EMA coming up to it to meet it. All this stuff is reversal signs. But no, I'm going to continue to trade it because I think I know what I'm doing. And of course it confirms that I know what I'm doing. Giving me false hope. And this is the end. This is where I've burnt all my mental capital basically, and I've lost the trade. I'm now negative on that position. Well, just about negative on that position. I was up over $150 on it. Now I'm realized at $55. I'm down 34, and I'm just trying to figure out. Well, it'll come back down. It'll come back down. I'm not a long play. I don't like going long, and I should have when that pattern reversed. But I'm very stubborn sometimes, and that gets me in trouble. That's all part of trading. That's my hard part for me is the emotional side of trading, and that's why we have to practice it over and over again. Right now my eyes were glued to the level 2, just watching it like a hawk, and I should have just been out and been done right there, and I would have had $146. But no, I let it run and run and run and run. In fact, I reshort this multiple times before the end of the day, and it is 5 minutes ago. I think I do it 3 times. Short cover, short cover, short cover. I'm an idiot. But it is what it is. But overall, good day. I wound up green on the day. I think $89. After commissions, I'm probably about 65, I'm guessing. I like my broker. I don't have to pay a lot of commissions. Like I said, I think earlier I said Sunday I'm going to do like a whole recap of the week and just show where my P&L's at and my actual days that I've traded. So peace out, guys. Have a good Christmas.